Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Snapchat app on PC. First open Microsoft Store and search Snapchat. Now you will see it. Click on that and install it. After that I am going to open it. Now you can see you can use Snapchat app on your PC. If you don't have Microsoft Store, then you can try this method. Open Chrome browser and search Snapchat on Google. Then go to the Snapchat website and go to the Snapchat web mode. Now you can see install icon on top of right side on your browser. Click on that and install it. It will automatically opening and you can see it's working. Also, it created shortcut to desktop. I hope this video will help you. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.